Hey everyone, it's a brief video how you can update your Android application in the Google Play console when you already pushed your application to the market and you want to update it. So first of all, let's move to the production, and in the production we need to press new release here. So you need to select your bundle, your packaged project here. I don't add because I'm not going to update again my project. So you need to select here this one. And also if you will have some errors, you need to check my previous video here. And in the new updates, I saw something weird in the 5.4. And you need to make these changes here and link helpful to make successfully. It's like you need to update Google Payment, even it's my application is free.
Okay.
Looks weird, but it is what it is. So you need to add here release name. I mean, like update number 4, and you can add some text here and press then next. And you will have this section here. When you will pass your application, all will be all right with it. After you need to press save, and after it you need to press publish, and to over you go. And after that you will be in the publishing overview, and you need to just press send change for review. And it takes like from 1 to 5 days, as I remember, to Google check your application, and it will be released and updated in the Play Market. And hopefully this video was helpful. If it is, please press like in the video and have a lovely day. Bye.